Hello everybody, thank you so very much for joining me and watching this video right now. This is RH back to the station, back to you people, and back on time. Thank you so much for being right there right away. So today we'll be checking out something out of Dimash. Yeah, it's a music video. Yeah, this is gonna be the second music video I'm checking out recently. Yeah, so let's get started checking out. But before that, I would like to get you an undesired association coming back right after the break.
You should pull the fucking trigger.
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for.
Hey, are there? Yeah, you're there. Alright, so let's get started checking this out. I'm not going to talk anymore just because it's Dimash Kudaibergenov. Yeah, he doesn't need any more as it is. Yeah, so let's get started checking this out and talking about the entry happening right after we get done checking this out. So don't move anywhere else unless and until RH gets to reach out to the end of this video and starts talking about this entry happening. Let's do it. Don't move anywhere else. Let's do it. I could see huge amount of light out there. Huh? Is this Dimash? This time his voice seems to be pretty, you know, pretty deep. Maybe somebody's having her wedding party out there. Come on, I wish I could understand each and every song's secret meaning behind. Yeah. There's the obstacle I'm having right here. It's kind of like there is a wow. Yeah. Let's see what we get. Dimash. Oh my goodness, come on! How come? Oh my goodness, I'm pretty lost, guys.
Sen
how special a person could be. More than this much. Come on, guys. Come on. Amazing. Amazing, guys. Dimash. Way beyond what we could reach out. Trust me. Way beyond our thought process. I do think so, because he's such an exclusive personality. Anyway, guys, once again, I couldn't understand anything about the meaning behind the lyric. Yeah, just because there was a language barrier. So I would request you to come up with the essence of this song. I just love the way it's been visualized, love the way Dimash sang, and love the way the rhythm was behind the music. You got my point? So everything was, other than the understanding part, everything else was pretty amazing. Yeah, so now it's time to get to have an approach towards the meaning behind the song. Then I think it would be pretty much of a desired stuff. Do you get my point? So do help me get to reach out to the essence of this song. Alright, so that's how I'd like to reach out. A couple was there. They felt great to be, I guess, on a common place. Yeah, that's what basically I got to understand. Maybe long time, it was long time they couldn't meet at all. They had talked over the phone, but they couldn't meet at all. But maybe something happened to that, that couple's life story. Maybe something could be related to that, but do come up with your confirmation masses. I'd like to get to see how is the lyric has been designed, meaning of the lyric has been designed. So do come up with that, and finally I would like to say thank you so very much. Special thanks to that one who came up with such a recommendation. Thanks a lot. It really meant me a lot, and I really had fun out of it. I really loved it. Do come up with your preferred stuff. Do keep it continued for the rest of my journey. Yeah, so thank you so much, and each of you, thanks to you, just because you are pretty much becoming pretty much consistent in terms of checking out whatever I'm coming up with. So do check out whatever I come up with each and every time. I'll be really grateful to you. Well guys, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Yeah, if so, don't forget to let me know how do you feel about this, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel, because this is the channel that comes up with desired content. So do come up with your subscription alongside your recommendations. Thank you so very much. This is Arich signing off, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay well, and stay pretty fantastic. Until the next video comes up and knocks your door to be reviewed, rechecked, and whatnot. So till that comes, I would like to say what's off. Thank you. Good to see you. Go! Just because this is the end of this video.